Hello again, skaters. Today's episode is we're doing a little first-person view of a new skate park called Wheels. We're down in Collier County, our first time here. Let's go in and check it out. It's open from 1, starts at 1 on Saturdays and Sundays. We're down here on Saturday. There is a skate shop in here. Gentleman by the name of Tyler back there is running the skate shop. Come and check out all his merchandise. He's got a lot of cool stuff here to see. And we will go outside to the skate park. You can see a little area here, a little play area. I'm trying not to break my neck on these steps down here. Nice little shaded area out here. You can sit down, there's trees, it's beautiful. There is a BMX track, as you can see, next door for all you BMXers out there. Making my way over here. Jazz is having a seat here in the shade, chilling out. We have a skater here that we just met, Casey, and her, looks like boyfriend, Zach. And the park is pretty cool. It's all on a flat pad. There are numerous obstacles, pretty cool mellow obstacles, little boxes, nice little jump there. A skateboard dude. The half pipe is what I came here for. It is pretty dang big. I say, how tall you think that half pipe is? I think like 8-9 feet.
Yeah.
It's pretty tall. I have yet to drop. I did a seated drop in, that's about it. But it's a pretty fun park. You have to pay to come in. You have to wear your helmet, which is no big deal. And there are plans to redo this park. But we really I like these kind of ramps. They're the composite material, metal frame. They're a little weathered, as you can kind of see, but it's skatable, you know? It's fun. It's nothing here is really super crazy. That half pipe is pretty tall though. You got like a little corner hip here, tiny little spine here, nothing major, but you know, it's fun. You can do a couple little things here. There's some ramps you can move around, a couple hips. This is a nice little hip here. Take off. Practicing whatever jumps, 180s. Another little mellow one over there. Box over here. A little street course is pretty cool. They play music here. It's nice. Very good ambience. Nice quarter ramp here to drop in, and you could roll in over on that other side. It's pretty sweet. And street course here is a variety of mellow little jumps, railings. Zach's gonna do a little slide. Nice. Got that. So super fun here. Let's see, Casey, see what you got. Go ahead. Then she's gonna drop in. She's gonna roll in. Always find people, other skaters. Nice little 180. Yeah. Going in fakie. Nice. Nice fakie 180. And that's about a wrap here, ladies and gentlemen. It's always fun out here. We always run into new people. It's a lot of fun. So if you're ever down here in Collier County, check it out. Wheels Skate Park. So until next time, you guys, check it out. Thanks again for watching. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.